Cred is now a $2 billion company. So obviously, thousands of posts are going to swap LinkedIn and rest of the internet about how the $2 billion valuation makes absolutely no sense. Before I jump into why it is valued at what it is valued, for those who don't know Cred, let me give you a small intro into what they do. Cred is a fintech platform where you can pay your credit card bills and get points in return. These points can be redeemed to get some discounts, freebies on Cred Marketplace. The startup clocked 52 lakh in revenue while losing 378 crore in the process last fiscal year. So you must be thinking, how did it achieve the unicorn status? Here are the reasons why Cred may just be getting started. Number 1, premium customer base. Cred currently has over 6 million customers with a credit score of 750 or above, making it an almost exclusive platform to have accumulated all credit-worthy individuals together. So what do they do with such information? Start lending money. That brings me to second point, lending business. Cred, with its recent actions, has given out that it is venturing into the business of lending, having started pitching a line of credit to its customers in association with IDFC Bank. For the bank, the users on Cred are possibly the lowest risk customer base, making it easier to disperse quick loans. Number 3, the luxury marketplace. With the kind of clientele on Cred, the marketplace on Cred may soon become into full-blown e-commerce for high-end goods. Number 4, seamless transactions. Cred has already pioneered the art of making the transactions as seamless as they can get. A testament of this is the fact that Cred has helped avoid 63 crores in late fee charges, an improvement of credit scores of 45% of its users, and helped detect 185 crore in hidden charges, among others. Cred will continue to focus on this space by making the process more and more easy and creating a service similar to UPI using credit cards. This may entice the brands to further acquire customers by partnering with Cred and offering an option that says pay with Cred on their website for ease of transactions plus the rewards. Number 5, the industry size. Currently, the number of credit cards in Indian market is about 57 million, while the number of debit cards is at 820 million. Therefore, the future scope potential is huge. Within the existing 57 million credit card holders, Cred already accounts for 22% of total volume of credit card payments in its mere 2.5-year journey. Number 6, the data. Data is the new oil, and Cred has access to the oil of the highest grade. The Cred Protect service requests you to allow access to your emails to call out the credit card statement. The service will help you find out hidden charges on your credit card and hence save your money, while giving Cred the power of data. With all this in its kitty, I'm sure Cred is just getting warmed up, and we may soon hear news of yet another jump in the valuation, having last valued at 800 million just 3 months back. So let me know what do you think of Cred and its now unicorn status, and also if you use Cred personally.